Good morning, students, and happy Friday. Yes, it is Friday, and we are happy. So I'm here to give you your week in review for the week of September 21st to the 25th. I'm here on the lesson webpage. I'm going to scroll down. By the way, quick update, October 8th is back to school night. It's a virtual version. Will be more details about that coming soon. As I scroll down the page, you're going to see the week in review notes. But quick, the superhero project is due today. I yesterday included a quick breakdown. If you're already done, don't worry about it. But if you still need to do this project, it's 3 slides, 3 Google slides. You're going to create a superhero with states of matter powers, such as a freeze ray or a heat beam. Use real superheroes if you have to. They're going to have to have 5 of those powers. I don't have that on here, but I'm going to update. Slide 2, same thing, but just a villain. Also 5 states of matter powers. Slide 3 is just a short story. I didn't really put any requirements on that one. No more than 1 or 2 paragraphs, if that, about how they battle. If you want to draw it, that's fine. You can draw everything. And then if you're able to take a picture and email it in, if not, send me a message that you're bringing it when you are live so that I'll be expecting said project. Also, you can go to storyboardthat.com and make a comic book. But as I told you in class, that one's a little more time consuming. So just make sure you budget that time if that's the choice you're going to make. On to Friday, week in review. So once you click on the notes, you're going to end up here, and let's do a quick review of the week. In housekeeping, do not forget to check in every day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Whenever you're remote, send me a message on Google Hangout telling me you're here and working on science. For Thursdays, Throwdown Thursdays, log into the Zoom. I'll post the information in advance, usually the last 15 minutes of the block, and we'll participate in a Quizlet Live, which you can practice all week. We're using the same one as last week this week. Remember, all school rules apply on the Zoom. We expect appropriate Zoom behavior. Content-wise, we talked about the states of matter this week, solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Solids got no definite shape and volume, kind of like your desk. The liquid will fill whatever container you put it in, but the volume is pretty easy to measure. You just kind of look at how much the glass contains, and that can tell you, for example, if it's an 8-ounce glass and you filled it all up, then you've got 8 ounces of liquid. Gas does not have a definite shape or volume. A little trickier to take the volume of a gas, but it can be done. Plasma is a superheated gas. We also learned that thermal energy, heat energy, you add or subtract this energy to change from one state to another. Melting is solid to liquid. Solid to gas is sublimation, like we talked about dry ice and how it goes from a solid right to a gas. Liquid to solid is freezing. Liquid to gas is vaporization. Evaporation also falls into this, but that's actually not the phase change. You need a certain temperature to get vaporization. Gas to solid is called deposition, and gas to liquid is called condensation. We also talked about natural versus synthetic materials as a special real-world topic. This one's pretty easy. It's made by nature or it's made by people. And as you look around, most things are pretty easy to tell if they're natural or synthetic. Next week, we're going to talk about the atoms, protons, neutrons, and electrons. We're talking molecules and some periodic table. We're going to work a little more with the metric system and working with some of those units. We're going to break down thermal energy into the 3 major components, and we'll keep reviewing everything we've been talking about. Expect to complete dailies 1 to 4. Your new playbook will come out on Monday. We're probably going to get to current events. We're also going to do science at home, and Throwdown Thursday. That's right. Sorry, something was blocking that. We'll get our Throwdown Thursday. And these are the assignments I'm expecting us to complete next week. Anyway, that's your week in review. Hope everyone's doing well. Have a wonderful weekend.